Let's review notes that we know. This one, C. D, E. And we have to really notice where the circle is, right? This one is sticking, so it's sticky D. This one is stepping on the line, that's E. But we learn a new note. Oops, it's upside down. This one. When it steps on the second line, then it's a G. See, the first line is E, the second line is G. Do you see the difference? How this one is stepping on the first line, but this one is stepping on the second line, E, and this one is G. And between the two lines, there's a space, see? This is the line, this is a line, this is the space between the two lines. This one is F, so it goes like this, E on the line, F on the space, and G. But right now I really want you to know G, E, and G because we are going to do this pattern. C, C, E, E, G, G, E. Can you read it with me? C, C, E, E, G, G, E. And why are we learning that pattern? Because that's the music that we are going to learn. It's called the Symphony, the Surprise. Let me tell you the story again. Long time ago, there was a great composer. He made beautiful music and everybody loved to listen to his music. This was long time ago. So look how he looked like. His name was Joseph, his last name Haydn. And this is how he looked like. Now, look at his hair. You'll say like, oh, he looks very funny. Because that's not his hair. He used a wig. In those times, this was long time ago, all the daddies, all the men used white wigs like that. That's how all the men, if I show you other composers from those times, they all will have, look at this one. They all have wigs. These are not their hair, and they were long like that. All of these were people from those times, see? They all had wigs because that was the fashion. So this was Joseph Haydn. In those days, the ladies had those beautiful long dresses and everybody was really fancy. And people would go to these places to listen to castles, to listen to the music. So imagine all the ladies dressed up really nicely and on the gentlemen, and they would sit really elegantly on chairs and listen to the music. And Joseph Haydn, he made up the music and he was also the conductor. And he was like this and everybody listened. But that's when Joseph Haydn noticed something. When his music was fast and loud, oh, people sat and listened. But if he made up music that was soft and sweet, people relaxed and kind of fell asleep. And he said, I don't like people falling asleep in my music, even if it's soft. I'm going to play a trick on everybody. So he made up that music that's so soft, so sweet, nice. And when nobody expects it, he makes all the instruments of the orchestra play a loud note like a BAM! Like, wake up, don't sleep on my music. And he called that music the Symphony, the Surprise. So everybody pretend that you have really fancy clothes and you're sitting very nicely listening to the music, but we are falling asleep, and let's listen for the surprise. This is the Symphony, the Surprise. I'm a little tired, right?